when I think about the focus that so many clients have with going viral, like what can I do to go viral? What are the posts that are working? What I would rather you focus on is, instead of creating viral content, what if instead you just create more curiosity with the types of content you're creating? And what I mean by that is, it's like so many are getting up to the plate and they're trying to get the grand slam or the home run, when you really just need to get on base. Like if you could just get on first base and then get to second base and get to third, it's less about going viral and it's more about creating the curiosity that gives people permission in an easy way to then start conversations with you or ask questions. And so if you could just maybe reframe the goal, and I don't want you to change your goal, but just think about the guy who went viral with the cranberry juice. Like, where did that get him? Like it there was a lot of cranberry juices sold, but did that make him instantly, he got a lot of traction, but then like, where is he now? So I'd rather you create a consistency of curiosity that to me would be, the bigger home run.